Hi, I'm Nathan with Residential Warranty Services. I'm in Carmel, Indiana, and we work throughout the U.S. and Canada. And I've been working with a guy for well over 10 years. His name is Rory Hernandez. He's with InspectPros. He's in Southern California. And this guy is very interesting to me because in 2008, when we came out with Recall Check, late 2008 is when we officially launched this program, he looked at it and he was one of the few inspectors that I've ever met in my entire, I've met 10,000 inspectors in 18 years. One of the few that I've ever met that actually would check for recalls as a part of his inspection the hard way, manually, before this product was offered. And he still to this day does a recall check report for every single client. We find free repairs on about 1 in every 10 homes, and that's really cool. But at InspectPros, there's something else that you get. You get a 90-day warranty with every single home inspection they do. And this is super important. Let me give you an example. I have Derek in Thousand Oaks, California. He got his home inspection in May, and in August he had a problem. And the problem wasn't a big one. It wasn't a complicated one, but it was one that he needed guidance with. He had an outdoor light that simply wouldn't work. And, how do you even know where to start? Well, you call us and we'll tell you. And in this case, it was a fairly simple electrical issue. We covered it, by the way. So this is where we get to a very important point for any real estate agent in America, and certainly in Southern California, where InspectPros is just one of the best home inspection companies in the market there. And you need to call my buddy Rory Hernandez. But if you got an inspection in May, and in August, you can use this example whenever you call any inspector in the country, and the switch to an exterior light does not work, the exterior light has no power. 1, what are you going to do about it? And 2, who's going to pay for it? If you use an inspector that has a 90-day warranty from Residential Warranty Services, your client won't have to pay a dime. Even if they have a 1-year warranty, like the policy from Residential Warranty and Residential Warranty Home Protection of California, the simple policy will cover the deductible. And that doesn't just go for this policy, it goes for any policy. So make sure your home inspector offers a 90-day warranty. And if you'd like to learn more about ways that you can protect your client for free, this is no charge stuff. It's included in the inspection. Go to thesavvyagent.net, get an online version of this book, and we'll even mail you one if you'd like, totally free, any real estate agent in America. And by the way, if you're outside of California and you need a recommendation to a great home inspector, email me. Nathan@nathan.tv is my email address. I'll respond to you personally.